old Monty here, and for my next video, I've got an item that came in, and it's from Canada, from the International Axe Throwing Federation store. The story on this thing right here, sorry, I cut my head off here. Trying to get this thing situated, yeah. Anyway, long story here is that this is ordered as a Christmas present to myself, and it made it through Canada. I think they were on strike or something in Canada, the mail, and but that wasn't the problem. It got all the way within 30 miles of my house. Well, actually, it was on delivery to my house, and the thing said, it was UPS, and you usually don't have. They're the ones that are really good for out here. Got them, didn't show up, and then I got a message saying that it was the item was missing, and they had thrown the box away. And so I contacted the International Axe Throwing Federation store, and by email. They have no phone number that I'm aware of. And they promptly said, "We're sorry, we'll send you another one." And then it took about 5 days for it to get here. I guess they did expedited shipping. Anyway, so here it is. The axe throwing venue that I go to, the league, they had their end of I guess you'd call it season 4 or whatever it was, end of last year. They have basically in league, you throw 4 games a week for 7 weeks. In the 8th week, they have a tournament, and they invite everybody, and it's a potluck, and they do all the different things. They do hatchets, then they do duels with a hatchet, 2 people. It's like synchronized hatchet throwing, and then they did Big Axe. And I brought one moment here. I brought my trusted S-Wing full-size axe. It's actually within the specifications as far as the bit size, the weight, and the length. And I've thrown it in the backyard a few times with some success, but when I got up there that night, I could not stick this thing. It's not really balanced for throwing because it's solid metal. I guess there's most of the weight's in the handle, and so I had to get a loaner, and I got a loaner and I used it, and it seemed like fun. So I was a good boy last year, so I asked Santa Claus for one, and searched around, and all these things are expensive, but they had theirs actually on sale. I think it was like 80 bucks, which is, it's really cheap for a throwing axe. And anyway, it comes with bubble wrap in a cardboard box. You got me a big old bent up decal here for the International Axe Throwing League. I throw Waddle, the World Axe Throwing League, and they have different rules a little bit than the International League, but Anyway, both of them, I guess this came from Canada. The World Axe Throwing League is a Canada thing. Well, I got two of them actually. That's pretty cool. Anyway, got bubble wrap. This is definitely something that you would want to put in a box. You would not want to ship. You don't want to ship handles or axes in a bag. Anyway, so I've got rubber bands wrapped around it now. It's a they've got the handle all glossed up. It's got a little sheath on it, one moment, let me get a tape measure and we'll do some measuring. Okay, back here it comes with a fabric sheath that is your standard fare, I think, for these throwing axe outfits. I don't like that you slide them in, but it's nice. You always should have a sheath, plastic wrap. It's got, I guess, their little sticker. It's got the little rubber bit thing. It's got, like I said, it's been glossed, which I usually sand off and everything, but I don't think it really bothers me all that much. It is slick. And it does have a pretty small profile on it. And it's supposed to be 26, and I've got it at 26 and 8. The front to back looks like right at 7 inches. The pole looks like it's 3/4 of an inch. Looks like it's got a 2 barrel wedges, a regular wedge and 2 barrel wedges. This in here seems like it's a little bit, and it's got some kind of a coating on it too. And I think I'm sure they press them on. Oh, don't want to lose you there. That side looks pretty good. This side right here, let's see if I can get some extra light on this. Well, yeah, they're right here on the end. I don't know if you can see that very well. But anyway, right in here, there's a teeny weeny bit of a gap in it. At first, well, seems fairly straight, hanging there. But it does have a little bit of a gap there. And let's see about the bit on this baby. Looks like about 4 1/4. I think that's all as per advertised, and it is completely dull. It couldn't be more dull, really. But that's no big deal. All these places advertise at, you know, razor sharp, and you can see the profile on it. And for a reference, I've got the old chopping job here. It's a pretty good chopper. I could do some sharpening on that, but and hang on, let me get something else for your this is a wattle called a Lieutenant Throwing Axe. You see the profile on that and the profile on that. 1 second, I got some more. So, all right, we're gonna get scientific here. .58. This one here, 1.28, so that one's actually a little bit narrower. And the old hatchet, which is smaller, is 1.20. So a little bit broad there. And balance wise, it may be, it's pretty well balanced, a little bit heavy in the head. So that is really dull. But anyway, there it is, the unboxing. I do a one-handed, like a hatchet throw, but if you do two hands, you grab it like a golf club, you know, and put it straight over your head and throw it like so. I take it with one hand and throw it like so. But so this is the International Axe Throwing League Big Axe that they sell for axe throwing. It fits both venues. Oh, we didn't do the weigh-ins. So here we go. This might be interesting. Okay. Zero it out. Okay, let's zero it out. Try to get some junk out of the way here. See if I can get it all there without. Okay. And it is say 3 pounds, 5.1 ounces. It has to be over 3 pounds for wattle. And with wattle, you can go 23 inches, and this one here is 26. But you can go longer, so this is all legit. You know, you could cut, and I might do that. I might cut a little bit off and trim that sucker down, because what they do in wattles, they want to throw, and they want that thing as light as they can possibly get it. So they can cut that 5 ounces down to 3.1 or 2. That would make it even better. But in reference to that, my little hatchet, throwing hatchet, is 1 pound, 13.8 ounces. And so that is a light one. Throwing axes, it was like 2 pounds or less, or not much over 2 pounds is what you're throwing. And so the head, I don't know if you compare the heads, of course it's longer by a couple inches, it's wider. The pole on it actually looks about the same, but this is World Axe Throwing League, this is International Axe Throwing League, two different entities, but I'll have to go and sharpen it up and try that thing out. I don't know whether I'll do anything to the surface on it yet, but anyway, that's what we're talking, Big Axe throwing. So anyway, I hope all y'all had a safe and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's all safe, and all of your resolutions that you make this year come true. And thanks for all the subscriptions and the comments, and have a good day. Half Full Monty out.